2014 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, hill start assist, engine immobilizer, fog lights, 4-wheel ABS. Inside you'll find power sliding rear window, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.